I hope you will indulge me the next few minutes, because if you do, this short video very well may change your trading life, and it very well may change your life entirely. Who the hell am I? I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is Saturday, April 1 at 10 a.m. And no, this is not an April Fool's joke. But boy, over the last couple of weeks, what a joke it's been in the market, right? A lot of people got fooled. Did you get fooled? There are these podcasters. You know who they are. Quad 1, Quad 2, Quad 3, Quad 4, the macro babble from their macro research team from that Ivy Leaguer up in Connecticut. How about, all the other podcasters? Gold's going to break out. Silver's going to do this. Inflation, deflation. Housing's going to collapse. The banking world's going to collapse. There's, it's the end of the world. It's a new bull market. So much noise. And a lot of people got fooled. Let me show you something. This is Swing Machine Plus. This is an algorithmic tool that we developed not 6 months ago, not 6 years ago, but now more than 20 years ago. And we have been using Swing Machine Plus as well as 70 other proprietary tools that we have. And by the way, we do share these very same tools with our annual members. They can have it on their desktop. So let's plug in the ES contract, continuous contract, ES, which is the S&P 500. Let's plug this in, and I'm going to set the time frame at 60 minutes. Now, anything less than 60 minutes, you'd be trading intraday, and we do trade intraday. But I want to give you a little longer view. Maybe you don't want to trade intraday. Maybe you'd like to be able to trade options. Maybe you would like just a consistent, objective view of the markets. Are we going up? Are we going down? So that you can be on the right side of the market and you can cancel all those subscriptions to all that nonsense on YouTube. Stay with me. The ES futures contract on a 60-minute interval closed Friday at 41.39.50. Swing Machine Plus went long 67 hours ago, 67 one-hour segments ago. If you had taken that trade, and we have members that most certainly did, if you had taken it long at 4015.50 at 9 p.m. on the 28th of March, just 67 hours ago, one mini contract, you would be up $6,200. The trend is up. And yes, on an hourly basis, it's a little extended. Maybe you don't want to trade that fast. So let's do this. On a 240-minute, which is half a day, 31, virtually the same signal, very, very close. Long, 31, 240 segments ago at 5 p.m. on the 24th, 4 days earlier, at this price, 40.10. If you had taken that signal, you would be up 64.50. By the way, if you're using a micro, it's 1/10. So you'd be up 620 or 645. A mini is what it is. If you had used 10, yeah, you'd be up over 60 grand. How about the at ES, and we put this into a daily view? Yes, the daily confirmed over the last 2 days, the 30th, at this price, and you'd be up that much. Now you might be asking, well, that's the ES. What about that crazy NASDAQ? Let's take a quick look. Let's put the NASDAQ on a 60-minute. 61 hours ago. this price, this time, this date, $9,700. At NQ, 240, this price, this time, this date, this many segments ago, and you'd be up 19,425. NASDAQ on a daily basis. Let's change it to a daily. 14 days ago, virtually the same signal. It was just a few hours difference. That was the day that the NASDAQ really started to move. On a daily basis, the trend is very solid, but it is pretty extended. So if you did take that trade, our members are probably hedging it or taking some profits. We can do this with stocks too. Let me put in a label row. We'll just call this stocks. How about NVIDIA? NVDA. Now, NVIDIA is not leveraged, so it's just showing the P&L. It's just showing the per share. If I change this to an hourly, 97 hours ago, Swing Machine would have generated $36, 36 points, because it's one share. We can change this to a block of money by going to the setting. I don't want to take the time to do that. But just to demonstrate that we can do this on anything, 240, 113 240 segments ago, it would have delivered 118 points. A call option would have been worth over $10,000, very likely, depending upon how far out you went. And how about on a daily, Don? When should I have bought? When would Swing Machine have bought NVIDIA? 56 days ago. At what price? 160. It's trading at 278. Folks, if you're getting it done with whatever it is you're doing, keep doing it. But if you are listening to all those podcasters, all those economists, all those macro babble stuff, they write wonderful books. They might be fun to listen to, but they will not make you any money in the market, and you won't learn a thing. You are more than welcome to call me any day, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Could be Saturday, could be Sunday, could be a holiday. If I'm available, I will take your call. If I'm not, leave me a date and time, preferably 2 dates and 2 times, and I'll confirm back to you by text, and we'll have a chance to chat. I am not promising anyone an outcome. I am not suggesting that everyone should be a trader. In fact, I think most people should not. You need to have a very mature perspective about this. I am not selling Swing Machine Plus at all. It isn't for sale. Better than that, you get Swing Machine Plus in all of our proprietary programs, all of them, for a full year as an annual member. And you get to pick and choose and set it up the way that you want to trade. Because we cannot control the market, but there are a lot of things that we can control. And more valuable than any one single program that we provide is the education that we will provide. We have a Q School. We will spend hours with you, sharing with you how we approach the markets and how we use these tools. I wish you the best. Call anytime. If you're getting it done, keep doing what you're doing. If you're not, stop, think, listen, watch, and make a decision to get an education from someone. Good luck.